Robin reached out with a really great question about her recent book. I just published a book about my grandmother and her 10 siblings. A cousin said she found it interesting how I questioned so many things. Like, did he start raising XYZ because of the boll weevil infestation or the army worms? Did her marriage fall apart because she changed religions? Is that good or bad? I didn't even realize that was part of my voice. So let's break this question down. Should you include unanswered questions in your family history book? Here's my take. Let your questions be part of the story. Your questions are not only valid, but also an amazing part of the storytelling process. By asking what happened here, why did they make that choice? You're giving readers a glimpse into the mystery and intrigue of your family's past. So don't shy away from asking those what if questions. Including questions in your book, especially when you don't have all the answers, invites curiosity and engagement from your readers. It allows them to see the complexities of your family's history and the uncertainty that comes with piecing together the past. The only trick is to determine how to incorporate these questions into your story without misleading your audience. That's where the next tip comes in. To make your questions stand out or separate them from your ancestors' narrative, consider using sidebars or box text. This helps you keep your main narrative flowing while also giving you space for those thought-provoking questions to shine. It's like giving a little extra context or pondering without bogging down your primary story. It also separates speculation from documented facts. For example, did her marriage fall apart because of religious differences? While we can't say for sure, it's a possibility worth considering. More research is needed to explore how religious changes affected marriages in the early 1900s. So include it, just stick it over to the side, and then you have separated what you know from what you're still curious about. Another way to handle unanswered questions is with a section at the end of the book titled something like Future Research or Unanswered Questions. This section can be your opportunity to share those things that didn't have concrete answers, but are worth exploring. It also lets future generations know where to dig deeper if they're interested in continuing what you started. The key here is your voice and your own approach. Whether you incorporate them into the body of the book, highlight them in sidebars, or leave them for future generations to tackle in a dedicated section, trust your instincts. If it feels like it's part of your family story and you want to share the exploration with your readers, go for it. So what's the takeaway? Unanswered questions in your family history book aren't a problem. They're a tool for storytelling. So embrace them. And it's up to you to decide where they go. So what approach do you think fits your style? Let me know in the comments below. And then be sure to like this video and go watch this one next if you're enjoying the content on this channel.